Good morning, students, and welcome back to lesson number 2, Crusoe's Friend. I hope you all have done difficult words and word meanings in your notebooks in very good handwriting. In the previous class, I gave you homework to do exercise A and C in your books. Now, before starting our question answers, let us first discuss these exercises quickly. Students, open your page number 22, exercise A. Complete the sentences with words from the story. First one is Friday picked out a good tree and helped to make a new boat. Please check your answers. And helped to make a new boat. Number 2, Crusoe had saved dash. What will come? Friday's life. Number 3, It took 2 months for Crusoe to get the mast and sail ready. Crusoe made the rudder and what he did afterwards? Fastened to the stern of the vessel. Number 5, Crusoe taught Friday how to use the rudder and he became a good sailor. Number 6, Friday covered the boat with the boughs of trees. Boughs, already I told you while reading the lesson. Boughs means thick branches of trees. Now open page number 23, exercise C. Fill in the table below with information from the story to show what the two friends did for each other. Now here are two columns, as I told you earlier. Things Crusoe did for Friday. In second column, things Friday did for Crusoe. So you have to mention how these friends helped each other. So first we will write down the things Crusoe did for Friday. So first one, saved his life. Yes or no? Crusoe saved Friday's life. So write down in the first point, saved his life. Number 2, what did he give him? What did he provide him with? Write down provided or gave. Any word you can write down. Provided him food, clothing and shelter. Number 3, taught him to grow wheat and rice. You can also write down here him to make baskets and dishes. So that is your wish, whichever 3 points you want to write. Now let's come to second column, things Friday did for Crusoe. What Friday did for Crusoe now? First one, helped to make a new boat. So Friday helped Crusoe to make a new boat. So write down helped to make a new boat. Second, helped in milking the goats. Third, helping in keeping the boat safe and secure. How he kept the boat safe and secure? With the help of boughs of trees. Yes. Now we will start our question answers. So open your books, page number 22, exercise B. But before starting question answers, keep few things in mind, that you should sit in a very quiet environment. There should be no disturbance. You have to listen to the teacher carefully and pay attention in your books and notebooks only. You don't have to see in the screen again and again. Only for difficult words you can refer in the screen. So please keep all the things ready with you, like pencil, eraser, whatever you need. Don't run in between to get the things. So be ready. Write down the heading exercise B, question answers, and write down the first question. Students, you can even pause the video if you feel that you are slow in writing or you have missed something in between. You can listen the question again and complete it and then proceed further. First question is, you can divide the question in two parts. A and B part you can write down like this, see in the screen. You can divide the question into two parts, A part and B part. So write down question number 1, A part. Where did Crusoe take Friday? Where did Crusoe take Friday? Then B part question write down, what did he give Friday to eat? What did he give Friday to eat? Now let us write the answer. Crusoe, Crusoe. Crusoe took Friday. Take will change into took as did is there. To his cave. Crusoe took Friday to his cave. B part. What did he give Friday to eat? He gave Friday some bread and a bunch of raisins to eat. He gave Friday some bread and a bunch of raisins to eat. Raisin spelling is RAISINS. 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 Question number 2. Again divide the question into two parts, A and B part, as there are two questions in this one. So A part is, what did Crusoe give Friday to wear? What did Crusoe give Friday to wear? And B part question is, how did Friday feel in his new clothes? How did Friday feel in his new clothes? Now write down the answer. A part. See here again in second question also, A part and B part, did is used and verbs are given, give and feel. So this give will change into gave and feel will change into felt. So write down answer. A part. Crusoe gave Friday a pair of goat skin trousers. 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 Trousers, comma, a goat skin coat, COAT coat, and a cap made of hare skin to wear. And a cap made of hare skin. Hares, HARE apostrophe S. Hares. Hares means rabbit. Hare skin to wear. Now B part answer. Write on B part. Question was, how did Friday feel in his new clothes? So feel will change into felt. So write down, Friday felt proud. 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 Friday felt proud in his new clothes. Write down question number 3. See from your books. What sleeping arrangements did Crusoe make for Friday? What sleeping arrangements did Crusoe make for Friday? Answer write down. Crusoe made the following arrangements for Friday. Now here made is used. Why I have used made in the answer? Yes. Very nice. I know you know the reason. Reason is because here did is used in the question, so make will change into made. Very good. Crusoe made the following arrangements for Friday. First point. Start from the new line. First point is, he made a tent for him. He made a tent. 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 He made a tent for him in the space between two fences. 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 He made a tent for him in the space between two fences. Full stop. Second point. Start from the new line. The tent opened by a door. The tent opened. 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 The tent opened by a door into Crusoe's yard. Into Crusoe's. Apostrophe S will come here. Apostrophe S will come here. Crusoe's yard, which he locked locked, L-O-C-K-E-D, which he locked every night so that Friday could not reach him. So that Friday could not reach him. Full stop. Now come to the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4, write down. See from your book. What did Crusoe tell Friday about his life on the island? What did Crusoe tell Friday about his life on the island? Again, in this question, did is used and the verb is tell. So we will change tell into told. So see from your question. Crusoe told Friday that he had a hard time, hard, time to get food. Crusoe told Friday that he had a hard time to get food and make a home, and felt very lonely, Lonely, lonely on the island until he came. I am repeating this answer, please check. Crusoe told Friday that he had a hard time to get food and make a home, and felt very lonely on the island until he came. Now write down the next question. Question number 5. What did Friday think of the boats that Crusoe had made? What did Friday think of the boats that Crusoe had made? Answer. Friday thought. Think will change into thought because did is there. Friday thought that the first boat was too small. T-O-O. Here T-O-O means very small. Friday thought that the first boat was too small. He liked the size of the larger boat that Crusoe had made. He liked the size of the larger boat that Crusoe had made. Full stop. Now last question is left, so write down question number 6. Why did the two friends wait eagerly for November and December? Why did two friends wait eagerly for November and December? So write down. The two friends waited. Wait is changed into waited. And the reason? Yes, you know the reason. The reason is did is there. That's why wait is changed to waited. The two friends waited eagerly for November and December. See, half answer is from the question only. The two friends waited eagerly for November and December to start on their voyage. Voyage means journey. So that's all for today. Learn your question answers nicely. Bye bye.